Hi, I'm Scott, and this is Dad It Yourself. So here's my lawn. It's been about 6 weeks since I did the refresh. I've mowed 3 times since then and done a dethatch. Looking pretty good if you ask me. I'm going to go ahead and mow it again and we'll take a look at it. Well, here is a real good example. This side right here, edged. Right there, not edged. This side, weed, lots of weeds. So you may remember in the last video I talked about the tree. Well, guess what? The city came and chopped it down. Chopped that one down over there. Now it's my job to get rid of that stump and put a new tree in there. So there you have it, all mowed, edged, string trimmed, and blown off, and it looks great. 6 weeks does wonders. A little bit of water, a little bit of sun. Hey, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, comment, and like. Here's some videos up here you may like, and we'll see you the next time. Have a great day.